Slowly making our way through the 900 or into 900 here. So buyers look good. ES looks like it could be pushing VWAP. See if the Nasdaq follows along. We got market open in about 3 minutes, so we're just kind of getting that pre-market volatility right now. It's a little bit slower than it was last week, though. I was kind of enjoying. I was kind of enjoying the 825 volatility last week. It seemed to just be a really good, a really aggressive movement the 5 minutes before market open. Oh, there you go. That's a quick 10-point flush there. Right back into volume. Right to that prior wick. I would imagine a wick test would not be playing out right here, but it is sitting right at volume, so yesterday I posted a video showing the risks of making a prediction and trading the opening candle. Great example of why you shouldn't do it, by the way. So we're probably not going to touch anything for a minute there. There's really not a lot of sellers coming through on this quick little flush though, so maybe we do get a quick bounce out of this as well. I think buyers still just look strong right now. You got 1 minute until market open. Buyers look strong. Trend is, I mean, I keep saying to not trade against the trend, and right now the trend is, I think, pretty clearly down. But buyers just look really good right now going into market open. At 20 seconds till market open. But we'll we'll wait for the opening candle to make up its mind, and ES is getting the quick flush down to volume. All right, market is opening. Nasdaq's getting a good push to VWAP. ES is kind of slowly falling behind, but getting up there itself. Got the push into the 20s. Let's see how it reacts here. Got a good bounce there. ES came right up to VWAP. If the ES doesn't crack VWAP, uh, I may be interested in it then, but right now I'm not interested in a whole lot. And say the ES looks like it's going to go into an immediate flush, but we'll see if the NAS can take it up through VWAP, but ES has some buyers coming through. So ES looks pretty strong. There you go, getting another good push. ES is right at VWAP again. Looks like it could push. Looks like it's going to push through it. So ES just got that push through VWAP. So we're about 70 points up from these lows down here. So $15 seconds left here. Making new highs here on the. We're going pushing for the new highs on the Nasdaq. Just crack the prior highs. above yesterday's value area low as well. I believe on both the NAS and the, yeah, we never fell below it on the ES, so. Getting a good flush here on the NAS. Back to VWAP. ES still, both of them still sitting above VWAP. Oh, we just got the quick flush through VWAP on the NAS. ES also just flushed it, so see if we can quick bounce off it. We're kind of holding up, so. I was just kind of looking for the quick bounce off VWAP, but they both seem like they just wanted to run straight through it, it looks like. Yep, we're gonna kill it. So no biggie. We're just getting the quick flushes through, so. Nope, there's the there's the bounce that I was looking for. So it would have played out eventually, but no big deal. Yep, just good selling across the board here. Move right back to VWAP. And we're just getting the push through VWAP, it looks like. Got that one filled. See if we can get the continued flush here. I'm looking at the, well, pretty much down to this prior wick here, I guess should be where we're going, but cracked below volume on both of them, and then we got the immediate bounce out of it. Biggie sitting right at VWAP still on the NAS, looking hopefully for the push below volume on the ES. You can go ahead and add on another one here. ES push below volume again. NAS still sitting below VWAP. I'll let these run for a little bit. Unless we just keep seeing it bounce off, so I'm looking for this flush below value area low, so we are back below yesterday's value area low. Point of control pretty much just flipped right to VWAP, so see if we can stay below it. Not a ton of buyers, not a ton of sellers, so we're kind of just playing the volume game right now. There you go, there's that quick flush out of 2 of them. Got another one running. And we're out of it. There you go. Pretty good trade there. So after those 2 up 530. So that was about a $700 trade right there. And the main thing keeping sin was that the ES was sitting below volume the whole time. The NAS was staying below VWAP. So being below VWAP, being below volume, and then we got the point of control flip to also pretty much right at VWAP on the NAS. I was just didn't really see much to worry about. Entry was probably early, but it ended up working out. So we got, let's see, we got 8 points there, and then another, looks like 21 points on the second one. Is my math right? 8. So we got 16 points there, and then so 2 contracts for 8 points, 16, and then we got a move from 14 to 93, so 21 points. So about 37 points total on that trade. So pretty good. Pretty good. But yeah, I mean, this is, I wish there was a little bit more other, we obviously got the hard rejection up here at these prior highs, but it literally just went, it went straight up and then hit the prior high and then went straight down. So we just cracked those prior lows there on the Nasdaq, also cracked them on the ES. So we're kind of just looking at this move down to the 40s now. So quick buy up back into the 80s. It's a very quick buy up. That's like a 30 points in 15 seconds. Okay. Well, I don't know what just happened right there, but I feel like something just came out. 8:45 piece of news. I don't know. That was a very quick 30 points off that low. So ES is failing to crack volume right now. This is a good push here. I don't know. I don't really know why we're getting this good push right now, to be completely honest. Okay, fun stuff. Hey, I don't mind. We got the move all the way back to VWAP. They both just cracked VWAP again. All right. Just erupted through the 20s. I mean, this is a pretty big candle. This is a girthy one. I mean, it's almost 80 points from the lows, or from the open. Lots of good buyers still coming in, so I don't know. I'm feeling feels like this is just going to keep going. There that goes. Let's get this move up into the 80s, I guess. Fuck it, why not? Right up to yesterday's point of control. So, see if we can get the fill at 75 here. There it goes. So, that was a couple of quick trades there again. I mean, we're up 990 on the morning. So, but no, to be completely honest, and that's a prime example of, I mean, I trade what's right in front of me. Um, the trend is, I think, clearly down for the last week or so. I don't know why we just got this pump at 65. Literally hit the low, new candle form. We just erupted out of it. But I mean, we're up over 100 points since the open of that 8:45 candle. So I don't know what just happened, but I'm definitely glad to continue trading what is happening right in front of me, and that seemed pretty, I don't know. After it was clear that it was going to break through these prior highs, I thought it was pretty clear that we were going to run the overnight highs as well. So that move, I mean, that was just an aggressive move. At first, a little hesitant just because the ES wasn't quite following along with the NAS. But I mean, when the ES also broke its prior highs, it's like it just seemed obvious that it was going to happen. So um, I think we ended up grabbing. Let's see, we got. Oh, we only picked up one contract there. That's kind of shady. What happened there? Maybe we got two. I don't know. I think we got like 16 points there, then another 8. So I think we got another like 24 points on that trade. That sounds about right. So, I mean, it's it's just 120 point. Right now, it's 120 points. So, yeah, I don't know what just happened, but I'm sure there's a chart out there that would explain what just happened, and I do not have that. I did not see that. So, I did not see anything coming out at 8:45 this morning. So, yeah, whatever. Like I said, I'm cool with it. I'm just trading what's right in front of me, and I mean, it just seemed like that was clearly gonna just keep running. So, might as well put a couple of quick long orders in, but I just wasn't expecting that. So, my initial assessment was that that was not gonna happen. I think I literally said within seconds of this happening that it was going to run down to the 840s, and then immediately it flipped on it or switched on it, just completely turned around on us and went straight up. So yeah, there's a prime example of my analysis is not always right, not always 100% accurate. So, but heck, I'm happy to see it happen so long as I'm not getting wrecked by it. But yeah, that was I don't know, literally right at, opened at 67 and just erupted out of it for 100 or over 100 points. So cool stuff. I don't know if you guys watch any other streams. The one that I always recommend is Trades by Matt on YouTube. But I would be interested to see what he had to say about what just happened. So, looks like we're going to get a little bit of a pullback here now. I'm going to not do that, since we don't really have a ton of sellers coming through right now, but not really on the ES either. Yeah, we're going to keep that pretty tight, but staying above point of control. Not really too many buyers coming in to sort of make this move continue. So we'll see if we get a little bit of a pullback. I think I'm kind of eyeing this prior wick. Seems like we could get some pullback to the prior wick. It's sitting pretty much right at that volume level. So see if we can get a quick flush through the volume here. It's kind of what I was hoping for here. We got some sellers starting to come through, so I'm expecting this move at least back to the prior high or the prior wick. So nope, we did just get some buyers come through, so I guess I should get my hands ready to kill this one. Sellers look good, I think. At least right now. I mean, I think. Yeah, there we go. I'm kind of eyeing just to pull back to this like 950 level here. Just kind of a quick pullback, but I mean, I would expect us to hit right here and probably get a good bounce out of it. So I don't know if we're gonna continue going up. I'm a little surprised that we went up in the first place. So we do have top of the hour here in 2 minutes though, so better to be play it a little safe. You know me just being nice and cautious sometimes. So with that trade, I think we just broke the $1,000 mark. Yeah, we're up 1141. So I mean, it's going well this morning. It's just pre-market analysis might as well just got tossed out the window because it did not happen how I expected it to. So but I feel like, I don't know, like there had to have been something that came out at 8:45. That's just a weird time. I don't know. That was a weird spot for it to just bounce out of though too. So like there really wasn't anything there that made me think it should have just erupted for 100 points off of, this 865 level. So a lot of good sellers coming through. ES looks like it's getting this pushback to view up. What do I want for breakfast this morning? I haven't eaten anything. I woke up and got on immediately. I kind of overslept this morning. So, do you guys like Nutella? I've been eating bagels with like just a plain bagel with Nutella a lot lately, and it's honestly makes me feel like I'm in third grade again. Mainly because that's what I used to eat for breakfast all the time. So, all right, top of the hour. See how it goes here. Like I said, you typically get a little bit of volatility here at the top of the hour, so, or bottom of the hour, I should say. Yep, there's that quick flush. Down 50 points from that high, so ES got that good VWAP tap and quick bounce out of it, so we'll see if we retrace this candle here. It looks like we're just getting a good solid bounce out of it. Yeah, good buyers right off that, I'd say pretty much right off that VWAP test, so see if we can run through point of control. Do have good buyers coming in though. No new sellers coming in to indicate a pullback, but up there they are. Spoke a little bit too soon. So I would I was kind of expecting there to be a bit of a pullback. We just weren't seeing any sellers to make it happen. So ES holding up pretty well. Kind of forming like this staggered. Got this like staggered move forming over here. And go ahead and get a quick short in here, honestly. Sellers look good. Yeah, I've just got a quick flush through. So that was a quick 4 points for us. 2 contracts, so 8 points total. See if we can just keep it going here, honestly. Oh, we got the buyers as soon as it filled. That's always promising. See how the ES is looking before we get absolutely smoked here. No new buyers coming in really on the ES. We just got the VWAP tap again, but there you go. Let's just give it all back, honestly. Like I said, we're coasting this week anyway, so it doesn't really matter. ES back above point of control. Let's see if we can get that retest down at VWAP. Looks like we're getting the retest at VWAP. See what we're looking over here. Yeah, some buyers coming in, not a ton. Good sellers coming through. Really good sellers coming through. Let's see if we can keep this move going. Surprised that I just kind of stopped right there, to be honest. I was expecting that to just kind of run through and all those sellers started to come through, but it didn't happen. So that's kind of unfortunate. ES sitting right at VWAP again. Point of control just moved down to just above VWAP on the ES. Let's see if we can get the flush at VWAP here. This is clearly hold on. Hold up. Let me go ahead and kill. I need to catch up on the chat here. What's happening here? Oh, 1 second. Why is your hair only receding on one side? First off, not a very kind question. But second, I don't like to talk about it. He's on. Ever bought an iron with your winnings? Now you mention it. I was not paying attention to anything that you guys were just talking about there for a second. But the hairline receding point is not my favorite comment. I'm very, very sensitive about my hair, which is obviously not true. But yeah, I don't know why. I got shitty genetics, and we're just gonna have to deal with that. So. You can make fun of me in some other ways. That is true. And honestly, I'm down for some creativity if you got it. So. That was very distracting. I'm glad you guys did that though, because I wanted to get out of that trade. I'll push the boat up. Oh god, where are we sitting up now? So we gave a little bit back. We're still up 8:47 on the morning. No biggie. We had good sellers come through on that, so I was expecting more of a push back here-ish. Sellers looked really good, so I mean we got the push through volume, we got the move back to volume, took the short, and then it just didn't fill out, so whatever. No biggie. Good buy up today. It's just been kind of a weird morning though. It's been kind of weird for me. I mean, we just have a ton of buyers coming back through, so I'm glad that I got out of that one. Dude, you're literally gonna have me like I'm gonna be self-conscious about my hair all day. My work. I talk to people all day, and I'm literally just gonna be like thinking that they're staring at the big glare coming off. Dude, that's actually accurate. I don't go outside very often. Um, I'm literally gonna be talking to people all day, and you're just gonna have me thinking about the glare that's coming off my forehead. So, I, you just didn't have to say that. That was just so. That's just, man. You're gonna like affect my whole day with a comment like that. Um, uh, Wider than your wall. Hey, man, keep it coming. I insult too many people on a daily basis to be upset about other people insulting me. So, you know, it just kind of is what it is. These walls are really white, though. I need to do something about that. Hey, I appreciate that. um, no, I appreciate you guys being here. And I say it's unfortunate. We are kind of getting towards the end of it. It's been a weird day. I don't know if you guys look at the futures markets at all. We're looking at the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, obviously, but I mean, it's been kind of a weird day. I don't know what to make of it. I'm glad that I'm making it out alive, to be honest, but the price movement's been a little bit weird today. So let's see. Oh, but if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to like and subscribe. I think you have to like work those into your videos every opportunity you get. So oh man, we did get now this view up just came up. There you go. Right in the prior highs on the Nas. Made a little cracked the highs on the ES, but we still haven't approached the overnight highs on the ES, so made a little baby high here on the Nas. Hey, good morning, M6 Smith. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. It's good. Happy Tuesday, I guess. I don't know if again, I don't know how often you guys look at the futures markets, but it's been a weird morning. It just didn't go how I expected it to go, which I think is the biggest issue. But no, we're doing well for the most part. So other than that one trade that just happened, but I think that was like the only loser today. So let's see. We're up, like I said, up 8:47 on the morning. I think the highest we got, we were around like 1200, 1100, something like that. I think it was like 1140. But it might have been higher than that. I don't know. And say we're getting a good push here though. I just wasn't expecting that this morning. So but everything looks good for the most part. So we're looking over here. Yep, getting a good push there. We're pretty much making our way into that prior resistance level. So I don't know. Maybe we're setting up for a good bounce out of that. Maybe we just keep running. I don't know. The morning hasn't done what I thought it would do. So But all right, let's see. We're looking at about 9:10. I am going to go ahead and call it here. So I'm going to go ahead and kill the YouTube video.